Still living paycheck to paycheck and wondering where all your money goes? Let's break it down. You get paid, and what's the first thing you do? Probably pay bills, right? Rent, utilities, subscriptions, car payments. The list goes on. By the time you're done, there's barely anything left for you. This pay bills first approach is a surefire way to stay broke. But what if you flipped the script? What if you paid yourself first? I'm talking about the 15% rule. The moment your paycheck hits your account, automatically transfer 15% of it into a separate savings or investment account before any bills get paid. This simple shift puts you and your financial goals first, not your expenses. You'll be amazed at how you naturally adjust your spending to fit the remaining amount. It's a small change that builds a powerful system for wealth. Try it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple financial tips.